What's good? It's KreativeKera here, back with another video. So guys, I'm gonna get right into it. You wanna know how I made this beautiful painting for $20 and I sell them for big profit? Well, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in my next video, I'll be doing part 2 to entrepreneur life. I'm starting a home decor business, and this little baby may or may not be featured in that video as well. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful glossy. You see my ring light? That's how shiny it is. Beautiful glossy abstract art. Let's get into it. Get into it. So I got my colors mixed up. And now I'm gonna start pouring. I've never done this before. Again, this is just a trial. So let's get into it. I'm gonna pour a little on the ends, cover up the sides, so I don't have to move my circles too much. Oh, and I have a drop cloth under my table, so anything that falls on the side will be caught. So my circles are gone. So that didn't work, but I still don't hate it. So that's good. Okay. So we are done. My circles are 100% gone. Though I still kind of like it. I'm gonna make a little bit more white paint because it's just too dark. So again, Floetrol white paint. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the white again to lighten this up. So now the canvas is like icky, so I'm just gonna move it a little bit because the circles are like really circly, if that makes sense. I just want them to blend with the rest of what's going on here. Okay, I got this sitting on cups. I'm very pleased with that, guys. Like, I love the way this looks. I think this will look great as a painting. So I have to let this dry for probably say 8 to 10 hours because that's a lot of paint on here. And then, well, actually, let me finish the edges. Don't worry about me, I look crazy today. Well, this is in the morning, but anywho. Cover it, make sure all the edges is covered so that you have a full painting. Yes, I love it. I'm gonna add one more cell of white because I got some paint left. So why not? I just need some right here in the middle. And why not some little splatinos throughout? Splatinos. All right. I'm very, very pleased with how this came out. So, but this is not done. I'm gonna make this like some pop art. So I'll be back once I add my little letters and all that good stuff. So I mixed my epoxy off camera. Here's the brand that I use. I get it from Michael's. Use it per, 50% off coupon. Get it for about $10 or $15, I believe. So I made about this much. So if you can see the cup. I don't know, it's my first time doing this, so I don't know how much I'll need, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. So literally all I'm gonna do is just pour this on top, because it's gonna give your painting a bomb ass finish. Like, it's gonna look so good. And I don't want it all dripping on the edges and stuff because it's gonna stick, so I'm gonna lightly put it on here so that it covers the entire painting. Being careful on the edges so it doesn't spill over. And then literally all I'm gonna do is just let this dry overnight. Now I'm just taking a step back to make sure I didn't miss any of the pieces. Like, it doesn't have the shine on it, which is a little bit on the edges over here. Gotta get that shine. I'm gonna go around all the edges to make sure they're hit. That shine, baby, that shine. And here's the final result. So guys, I didn't make it into pop art just yet because I want to save that for my products you can make for your home decor business video. So this is the result for now, but I can't wait for you guys to see what stuff that I add to it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.